Good day, sir. I am Janard Lagura,
I am Jad Harpuron.
and we will report about the basic nomenclature of initial stability of the ship. First is kung kita mag-isgot about sa ship, one of the most na mga crucial things to consider is there's ilang mga stability. Ang stability sa usa ka barko refers to its ability to return to its original upright position after being distor- disturbed by an external force like waves or winds. Ang inis- ang initial stability kay ang resistance sa barko to small changes in forces on its ideas on its sides. To understand this, there are several key terms and concepts we need to know. First is GM, metacentric height. This is very important measure. It is the distance between the ship's center of gravity. Ang kaduha is KG. This stands for the height of the center of gravity from the keel. Ang keel kay ang pinakaubos nga bahin sa barko. Ang katulo is KM. This is the height of the metacenter from the keel. Pangkaupat is KB. This represents the height of the center of buoyancy from the keel. Next is KG, right, writing lever. This is the horizontal distance between the forces of weight and volume when the ship is at an angle. Ang KG ang nagtabang sa barko to right itself. And B, center of buoyancy. This is the center of the underwater volume of the ship where the upward buoyant force acts. Next is M, metacenter. This is an imaginary point above the center of gravity, important ni for calculating GM. G, center of gravity. This is the point where the entire weight of the ship acts downwards paubos. Nagdepende ni sa karga sa barko and how it's distributed. And the last is angle of heel. This is the angle at which the ship tilts or rolls.
Factor affecting stability. Mga stability na mga factor nga makaapekto sa stability. So, several things can influence a ship stability. First is shape of the hull. The design of the ship body under the water. Second is draft. Motong gitulog gapon ni sir. Ang gilabmon sa barko nga naa sa tubig. Nga. Pangkatulo, trim. Ang kalain sa draft sa tubangan ug sa likod sa barko. These factors are carefully consideration during the ship design and operation to ensure that ensure that ang barko remains safe ra gyapon ug stable while at the sea.